Outstanding low-mileage example with high specification, 73-plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak, 2-litre bi-turbo finished in agate black metallic with full Wildtrak, embossed black leather upholstery. Only 11,775 miles and having just been serviced. Fitted with 2,750 pounds worth of optional extras including electric roll cover with bed liner, factory-fitted tow pack, Raptor front grille, giving a powerful stance and aggressive exterior presence. Supplied with remaining balance of manufacturer warranty until the 11th of December 2026. This Ranger comes with satellite navigation, Auto Android or Apple CarPlay, adaptive cruise control, heated seats and heated steering wheel for those cold days, and climate-controlled air conditioning for those warmer days. Front and rear parking sensors, advanced four-wheel drive system, with terrain management to tackle the toughest of terrains. Why not inquire today? Just click the link or call to make an appointment.